so busy here. London is a city of 10 million people. To put that in perspective, Manchester, I believe, is like 600,000 people. So there's way more things going on here. Here we go. We're gonna go walk across the Tower of London Bridge. Let's do a normal street walk through. Some exploration. Super tired today. Fuck, did I go the wrong way? I keep finding myself getting lost every single time. I don't know why. It's the habit, I guess. Bad habit of getting lost. But honestly, getting lost is a good thing because you can kind of just see things, explore. And this is what I honestly ultimately signed up for. I wanted to see new streets, new people. And we're definitely doing that now. There's so many people here. I honestly don't know how to describe this to you. City of bustling business, city filled with tourists. There's a bunch of everything here actually. See, currently we are completely lost. Just, walking, seeing what's good. I'm at the Tower of London. Looks like a very touristy site here because there's a lot of people lining up to get tickets and things. And not really about the super touristy things. I'm more into seeing just locals' perspective, which is kind of hard unless you have a local kind of showing you the way. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk down this row here and see what happens. Looks really nice. A lot of flowers, a lot of sun. It's a really hot day today. All right. After some local guidance from the locals, always good to ask for help. Never underestimate the ability of asking for help. If you're in doubt and you think you're lost, maybe you're in a rush or you're nervous, don't even bother trying to figure it out yourself. See someone who knows, like they know what they're doing, and ask them. And if they don't know what they're doing, ask someone else. Eventually you're gonna find someone who will point you in the right direction. And sometimes that's really all you need, is someone to point you in the right direction, and you can figure it out yourself. But as I see, there's hordes of people. Got no mask. And I'm just gonna walk through these hordes of people, try to get to the Tower Bridge. It's kind of wild. But yeah, first impressions of London. It's definitely busier than the north, and I thought the north was pretty busy. Definitely way more people, way more bigger buildings and businesses and things. I'm having difficulty just walking through this path because there's hordes of people like just walking without even really paying attention to where they're going, or they're just looking on their phone. But I'm approaching the London Tower Bridge. How do I get up on the bridge?
The stairs over there.
Oh, the stairs. Okay, cool. We're gonna go up the stairs, and then from here, we're gonna go across the Tower Bridge. It's currently about 5 o'clock right now. I'm starting to get really tired from the day. Today I'd say I walked too many steps. Here we are on the Tower Bridge. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching this. Pretty exhausted. And I want to call it a wrap for the day, but I only have limited time here. Alright. Excuse me. So yeah, that was it. That was the entire bridge walk. Takes you about 5 minutes to walk across. It is really nice historical and architectural features that you don't see anywhere else in the world. We're at the end of the bridge now. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me where else I should go explore.